I got it. Come on.
Am I on? Yeah, I'm on.
Yep.
So I'm vacuuming the carpet just thinking, how would I like to serve my Tina the rest of the days of my life? I mean, we all got married, and I would just like to think about how I can please my Tina.
Yeah. You get it.
And I did go to school, but I didn't stay awake much in class. And I was just kind of thinking how our baby's made. And what happens. You know, I was hoping Cooper, being a 21-year-old, might be a little bit more experienced than me.
You never know.
And be able to tell me these things. But I'm really lost. The good thing is my mom taught me how to work a vacuum. And I can vacuum my carpet.
Yeah. Look at that. Woo!
If we're able to share this video on Facebook, we might get some comments.
We might.
So, Tina,
Yes.
how would you like me to vacuum your carpet the rest of my life?
Absolutely. Don't forget the bed. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta go around the carpet, Todd.
I don't know anything about that, but
Woo! Look at those legs. Will's really excited too. You got anything else to talk about? You're concentrating.
I would just like to say I not only serve, but I serve to protect the carpets. And whatever I can do for my Tina, that I wish to do. Thank you all for watching. I'll vacuum a carpet for you sometime.
He's mine, ladies.